Hello and welcome to my first teching video. Today we're gonna look at my Cyma CM030. This I've received some modification in the past. A really good gun for what it is. Cheap, reliable, not too powerful, but you don't really need it. Today we're gonna install some parts. We're gonna install some bushings. Because the original ones in this one is nylon, so they wear out. We're gonna install a new nozzle because the original one is plastic. It also wears out, and the O-rings on the original one is crap. We're gonna also install a new piston head because I have some FPS drop, and I expect or suspect that it is from the piston head and no one else. We're also gonna rewire this to small T-connectors, and I have a new 11.1 battery, so I can shoot a little faster, get a little faster fire response. But before we do anything, we are going to test the FPS and RPS of the gun. The way we do that is really easy. We have a little setup over here with a tube we can shoot into. Let's go. Yeah, and of course, now we see 70 meters per second, and that's actually what I need. So I really don't know if this is just because I'm filming, but as you can see, it's really inconsistent. We have like from 70 down to 60. As you can see, it shoots really good. 16 rounds per second. This gun also uses a bunch of pins, so a pin puncher is really good to have. And disassemble it. Now we should remove this one to pull out the nozzle. Then we can lift up the barrel and we can slide out the mechanism. This is the whole of the gearbox. This is a pain to disassemble. If you don't know what you're doing, me included, you should really not do this. I would never recommend anybody tearing this apart unless it's absolutely necessary. Now we're gonna pry this thing open. This will pop to every fucking side. Yep, like that. It's just waiting on the explosion. It didn't happen this time. Now I'm gonna remove a spring and piston. Now it's decocked. There we go. I have to screw it back together. Hope for the best. It's always stressful with taking on the airsoft. Oh my god. Let's test it. As you can see, it's much better. We also got these mags now. A buddy of mine wanted to only have one AEP mag while he was out shooting. I'm actually going to test this out to see if it's any good. Why does it smell so bad? Is it this one? Holy shit. That's the problem. That sucks. Okay, this one gave up the ghost. It got ridiculously hot and I think the motor burned. So I will order a new motor. Order a new battery. And we will have this up and running again. This may be my fault as well. Maybe it was too tightly shimmed. I don't think so. I think this was purely because of the high rate of fire I was putting it through. And it didn't manage that really.